Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a custom spam filter for incoming messages and mails on Proton Mail. For example guys, if the automatic spam filter on Proton Mail turned out to not work properly and now you'd like to filter out any incoming messages and mails in the future from specific senders or that contain a specific spammy word or expression, and you can set up such a custom filter to filter out these emails and to send them automatically to the spam or trash folder to delete them from there later. Let us show you how to do it, guys. It is actually super easy or simple. Head over to Proton Mail, log into your account and click on that gear icon in the top right, and after that click into all settings here. After that, take a look at that panel here on the left hand and click into filters there and create a new filter by clicking on add filter here. Give it a name like spam filter or spam, and spam 2 because the first an automatic spam filter, the built-in filter on Proton Mail, didn't seem to work properly or has turned out to not work properly. So click on next here and after that set the conditions. Like for example, you may filter these incoming messages and emails by a subject and give Proton Mail the command to find out if the given incoming message contains a specific trigger word, keyword or term. Let me go for example with, I don't know, spam or spammy or something like that, just for the sake of this tutorial. So if you click on insert here, from now on that filter will prevent any emails and messages in the future that contain that word, for example in the subject, in the title or in the email, from getting into your inbox. So that's basically it. You may add more of these statements, for example, more of these triggering words here. You may add as many as you like to them, and that's basically it. After that, simply click on next here and customize your filter. You may, for example, assign it to a label or decide what you would like, would like Proton Mail to do with these filtered emails. So, for example, you may select do not move here, or you may give Proton Mail the command to archive these emails, or to leave them in the inbox if you like, or to move them to the spam or trash folder. So if you like to get these deleted automatically, I would suggest you select trash so that these get automatically moved to the trash folder and get automatically removed from the trash folder after 30 days. Or you head over to the trash folder and do it manually. You may also mark them as read, for example, however that's optional, and I'm going to skip this now. Send an auto reply if you like. You may do that too. And last but not least, check if everything is okay by clicking on preview here. And if you're content with your setup and your custom filter, click on save there to save it as your spam filter, to filter out any incoming messages in the future that contain one of the aforementioned triggering words, texts or keywords. And if you'd like to delete or disable the given filter temporarily, simply head over to the filter section here and under custom filters, simply turn it off here. And that's basically it. You may edit it here, you may delete or remove it. And that's it. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.